Welcome to this NIS Mobile Studio at the World Trade Forum 2019. I am here with Raymond Saner, who is going to tell us first what he does and why he's here.
Okay, thank you very much. What I do is, on one hand, I teach at universities such as Basel and Sciences Po, and I'm co-founder of an organization called Center for Socioeconomic Development, which is a Geneva-based NGO, research NGO, and we do a lot of work for the United Nations, particularly in the area of sustainable development.
The panel you are chairing is going to take place tomorrow, but today you have attended some sessions at the forum. Can you tell us which sessions and what are your takeaways?
The first session I attended was about the environment and trade that Professor Cotier was chairing. And it was a meaningful session in terms of just for people to help everybody understand where we are about climate change and what could actually be done through trade and how we could maybe rethink trade conditions and trade agreements so more could be contributed to stopping climate warming. And that was the session. There were several proposals that were made. Some, from my point of view, were very detailed, very technical, maybe helpful. But we should not forget, we have been discussing now trade and environment for quite a few years. The climate continues to warm. The conditions of international relations and international trade do not seem to be an incentive to do things differently, particularly when it comes to SDG 12, that is sustainable consumption and sustainable production. The current trading system does not give enough support to do things radically different. So my concern is that we just tinker on more of the same while the environment is changing rather rapidly. So I feel there's a gap between what we talk about versus what we should do to contribute to prevent climate warming.
And tomorrow's panel concerns communication about exactly the kind of research you're talking about. What are some of the main points and messages of that panel?
Well, it's difficult to already know what the main points will be. What I hope will be the contributions of the speakers is that they will help people rethink what research should be, could be. And that means not necessarily more of the same. You know, where people do research, some good contribution, they write a book, and the book is put on a bookshelf and nothing happens. So the research, the challenge also for social science as well as the natural science is to make contributions to society, to share the knowledge that is being created by researchers for the benefit not only for them in terms of their career, it's okay to have a good career, but that the research has secondary positive impact on the rest of society.
Raymond Saner, thank you very much.